How to start without blocks on Block Blast. Hello guys and welcome back. We're back with another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to guide you through the process of starting Block Blast without any blocks. So let's get started. First of all, open your Block Blast game and over here you'll be able to see two modes. One is Adventure and the other is Classic. When you click on Adventure one, you'll be able to see all of your levels which you can complete in order to achieve the trophy. So when you click on this level over here, you'll be able to see that there are some blocks already, and then you can play the game further. But this is not really a free play mode, and you will always have some blocks and you will have to match the blocks in order to receive these gems. So if you wish to start without any blocks on Block Blast, you have to go back and click on Classic mode. So when you click on Classic mode, you'll be able to see that you don't have any blocks already on the board and you can start from scratch and start building yourself. And then you can restart the game. You can click on this gear icon over here, click on replay, play, and here you can see that there are no blocks. So that is basically how you can start without any blocks on Block Blast. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.